Hello YouTube, today let's see how to fix this auto scroll not working or not showing in Instagram. To fix this, you have to go to Play Store and search for Instagram beta, and from here you have to click on Instagram, and if you scroll down you'll see an option to join the beta. Just click on join, and once you click on join and wait for a few seconds and again search for Instagram beta, you can see Instagram beta is updated for your account. And now click on open. Now go to reels and search for one of the reels and click three dots in the bottom and see if you can see auto scroll. If you're still not seeing the auto scroll, just go back and just click on uninstall and uninstall Instagram beta and just try to reinstall the beta again. Once Instagram beta is installed, just click on open and sign in with your details and go to a reel and just try to click on the three dots and see if you can see auto scroll again. If you're not still seeing that, then you have to go back to your Instagram and go to your settings and activity. From here, just scroll down and you have to go to help. And from here, just click on report a problem and just uncheck shake phone. And now you have to just type the problem here. Just type auto scroll is not working in my account. Please fix it. I'm in a beta version of Instagram. To my knowledge, auto scroll is not enabled for all the accounts, so you have to request Instagram to enable in your account. So just give this try and tell me in the comment section below this solution worked for you. Give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.